Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian, and today I'm going to show you how you can make the Moscow Mule at home. So the Moscow Mule was actually invented in Hollywood, California, and not Russia, despite its name. In 1941, this drink was created at the Cock and Bull restaurant, and without digging too much into the history of it, what had happened was the restaurant had an excess of vodka and they ordered a little bit too much ginger beer. So the bartenders started making this drink just to clear up the inventory, and now it's become one of the most famous cocktails in the world. So now we're gonna make one, and I'll include a list of the ingredients down below. So first we're gonna start with 2 shots of vodka. This is a joke, by the way, for those of you who get the reference. Okay, so what you're actually gonna do is you're gonna start by pouring 2 ounces of vodka into your mug. We're gonna be building this drink in the mug, by the way. It's not gonna be shaken. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is take a blunt object and crack some ice into the mug. And now we're gonna squeeze 3/4 ounces of lime juice into the mug. So I was actually corrected on my last video about how to squeeze a lime. You actually wanna use put the pulp side face down. Thanks, Greg. Now you want to go ahead and top off the mug with some ginger beer. Go ahead and give that a stir. And now we're going to finish with the garnish. And that's how you make the Moscow Mule. Cheers! Hey, so if you guys like this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe below. Doing so helps out the YouTube algorithm and pushes this video to a wider audience. Let me know in the comments below which cocktail is your favorite, and I'll do my best to feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching.